So once you've received your download file, you're going to want to extract it. Now I use 7-zip to extract files because it can open pretty much anything, but feel free to use whatever program you prefer. Simply extract the contents of the zip file. Now you're going to want to delete the README file if there is one inside there, because the car won't need that. Now we want to right click on our USB memory stick and select format. We need to make absolutely sure we're formatting it in FAT32 format because the other formats don't work. And now you just need to copy the contents of the extracted folder directly to the root of your memory stick. So we don't want to copy the folder itself, just the contents. So you can see I've got the individual files and folders copied to the root directory of the memory stick. Once we've done that, we safely eject and we go back to the car with our USB stick. So once back inside your car, switch on your ignition and jump into the navigation app. Insert your USB stick into the armrest USB slot as shown. And you'll see the indicator light start to flash on the USB stick to indicate that the files are being read. And you'll see a prompt pop up on your iDrive screen automatically prompting you to update. So click Start Update. Now at this point, if you haven't previously inserted an FSC code, it's going to prompt you to do so. So enter that code in. And the update will begin. Now for me, this update took around about the 5-minute mark, but it depends on the speed of the USB stick and the car that you've got as well. But allow for up to sort of 20 minutes, half an hour for the update to work, and it does give you a nice progress meter as it's going. And once it's finished, the navigation system will reboot. So jump back down to navigation system version again and check that you've got the updated version. As you can see here, I've got Next 2018, which is the latest version of maps for my region, and that is it.